You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Interesting word, this one. Let's learn how to pronounce it once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. Conjunction. Let's break it down. Con, not con, alright? Con, it's a schwa sound. Conjunction. The stress is on the junk syllable. Conjunction, not conjunction. Conjunction. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.